All right, so we're back at Jeff's Tuning and Performance with Ben's O2 Trans Am. This is the F1A94 Procharged 408 stroker. We just added a Texas Speed Stealth intake and the Chris 1313 fuel system. Last time we were at Jeff's, the engine fell on its face at like 5,300 RPM. We couldn't get enough fuel. We blew up a fuel pump. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. No, turn it off. Yeah, it's the hat.
Regulator?
Yeah, it's shooting straight out of the fucking top. Hopefully we have all the bugs worked out, so we're gonna find out in a little bit. We are coming across a couple other issues. The voltage is dropping down for some reason, maybe a ground, we gotta figure that out. There's also a slight leak from the fuel pump to tank O-ring. May or may not have anything to do with anything, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah. Let's get started.
She's in it. I mean, Mike's got ethanol,
So that's next.
no, I just gotta have that scramble button. Probably real.
And I mean, he could do like a separate tune, you know, for the nitrous, but
There's a whole fucking control system for it at home.
yeah.
Like, we can control the solenoids. I can have it full timing. I can have it make sure the AFR's dead on the running.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the shit. The only thing I'm gonna do right now is purge it just to scare people.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Where the f is this guy in the front?
Pretty brutal.
Yeah, but after he gets out,
I'm gonna block his ass in.
Keep working. He said, where does this box go? I was like, where Jeff is. Don't put it there yet. Wait till he gets out.
Just block his ass.
So last time we were here, must be one of the first runs. Last time we were here, it hit like 570 or 580. We had to shut it down really early. We had to shut it down at like 5,300. I think it was either 5,300 or 5,800 because it was running out of fuel. So we should see some dramatic increases now for the horsepower. They're 7s. I think we set them at like 28 last time.
Okay. You can tighten them up. You know.
No, I mean, this is left over from the last run.
Gotcha.
So it was either 28 or 30 we had them at. I'm pretty sure you said set them at 28.
28, 24.
Yeah.
We'll see how it acts on 28.
Yeah.
Some chance we might have to close them up.
Okay. And there goes the shut off. Woo!
I mean, it literally dropped all signal, and then all of a sudden it was sitting here just like barely idling.
Yeah. Well, let me get under there and take a look at the crank sensor. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I mean, the crank sensor's hooked up, but aside from it, like maybe it's not an AC Delco or something. I mean, I've heard a lot of people complaining about, you know, not having like an OEM and it being the problem.
It can be, but this.
Because it's plugged in and I mean, nothing's like, no wiring's melted or anything near it or around it, the wiring harness.
Okay. I can have a crank sensor here in the building.
I mean, we can try, but like the problem seems to be that it's aftermarket. That like you have to have the OEM one. I mean, we could throw a crank sensor on it and try it.
I've had pretty good luck with the standard edition one.
Have you? It looks like the crank sensor went out. I'm not sure. We're gonna swap one out and see. I know a lot of people complain about the aftermarket crank sensors. I don't know what is in this thing. I've had the issue myself where I had to put an OEM one in. They are discontinued, so they're hard to find. I have a couple at my shop, but it's an hour from here, so we're gonna throw one in from O'Reilly's and see if it fixes the problem. Hopefully it does.
Is that how it normally sounds?
Breaking up.
Why the fuck did you, that was totally different.
Yeah, it sounded like it was breaking up. I don't know. What's wrong?
68 PSI, I don't think there's nothing wrong, you just lift it.
Yeah. Yeah, probably jump up to like an 80 by the time he's $7 grand, yeah. Oh my God, it's still doing the same. Yeah.
I don't know if we got a dead plug or what.
Oh, we can pull plugs, but it's going to take like an hour.
I know. Well, let's get about an alarm. Check the headers.
Yeah, we can do that.
And we can
See if we can find a miss.
Hey, this is the one with dead on it wasn't missing until after I made that first pull. And then when it came back down the idle, I heard
Yeah.
plug.
It sounds like a miss, so. I don't know, dude. It's falling on its face for some reason. And what does the map say? I mean, does it look like it has a leak? Like a vacuum leak, or no?
No, I don't look any different than it did before.
What do you think we should do, man? You want us to start pulling plugs out of it and try that, or do you think?
Might as well. I mean, you gotta find it somewhere.
Yeah.
You know, it's not crazy all over the place, but it's doing what it's supposed to. I mean, there's, you know, again, that was 10 PSI.
Yeah.
Or 5,600. Target was 84. We were at 80, which a little rich. I'm not caring about.
All right. Why don't you yank this side off? I'll do the other side.
Oh yeah, this side.
Now, you can do this side if you want.
I don't want to do any of it.
You want to just order a set of BR7s and we'll go ahead and, I mean, we're going to have them out. We might as well fucking just gap them and throw a set in there and see, you know. Yeah. Feel it. Just use the force.
I don't have the force.
Look at a gapper and see if I can see what these are. Okay, that one's 26.
What was it?
26. They're at 26.
6.
I mean, that's
What do you got out? Oh,
just this side.
are you giving the hard side?
Oh yeah, of course, man. It's his car. I just wanted to see the look on his face.
Mother.
I mean,
And they're not fouled out, but they're running rich.
no, it's on the money of where I want it. I mean, I need to put a fresh one to check it, but
It's right above the
marks are
bend.
better right there.
Yeah,
It still need, I can tell it needs a little bit more timing, but
yeah.
honestly, it's not bad.
So there's a miss under load. We're not sure what it is. We changed the crank sensor. It's not an OEM crank sensor, it's just one we got from O'Reilly's, and it got better. It stopped shutting off. So it's got a miss under load. Either, you know, we need to put an OEM crank sensor in, which we're gonna do anyway. Cam sensor, we're gonna throw OEM one of those in too, just to be, you know, safe. And then we were gonna retorque the heads anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And when we do that, we'll change the wires and the coils, because the coils are still original, so while we're in there, you might as well. And then we'll pull the injectors and, you know, test each one of those, but chances are it's probably like cam or crank sensor. So, yeah. Unfortunately, we learned something, but not what we wanted to learn, but it seems like the first time we go to the dyno, there's always problems. You got to diagnose it, and then we go back, fix it, come back, and make numbers. So hopefully, that's what we're gonna do.